I'm Fred Haines from Harper Haines Fluid Control, and we're standing in a UV or ultraviolet water treatment plant built in a factory in Illinois, shipped in 5 pieces here to Harrison, New York, and assembled in less than 2 days.
And the purpose of this plant is to take water from the lake and inactivate the crystallosporidium using UV light.
We want to provide safe water, so we're trying to get this done as quickly as possible.
We are bringing drinking water to people, and it has to be perfect. And the only way it can be perfect is through people that know what they're doing, and to me that is craftsmanship.
From beginning to end, more than 100 sets of hands have touched it. This is a symphony of effort. Stay tuned as we share the different phases of this project with you.